Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. And what happens if you give humans infinite resources and just let them run through with their own free will on the game? So that's what we are about to find out right now. Let's pick a good spot here. Here it is. Our very first human, and let's just turn on the peaceful monster so he wouldn't be gobbled up by some snake or some huge ass crocodile, and that will be the end of our civilization if that were to happen. So let's give him infinite resources now. Speed this up. There you go. Watch the magic happens as he starts to basically build his own empire. So we're still at the tribal level here. And these rhinoceros could have wiped out our entire tribe here, because 5 humans aren't, 5 humans is equivalent to 1 rhinoceros, so you could only imagine the power these creatures have. So especially with humans that are not that advanced yet. So this is the part of Africa, I believe. Kingdom expansion, let them expand. So far so good for our simulants here. And yeah, we're going to be trying to speed this up into gazillion times so that we get more better results than this. Colonizing a part of Africa. Look at those rhinoceroses. Is that a proper way to call them? Rhinoceroses. They've covered up the entire continent here. They still haven't migrated to Europe though. Let's turn on unlimited houses here so that we get more results, better results, faster results. Let's check out our civilization here, how they're thriving, and they've turned into quite a formidable force to be reckoned with here, especially. So I don't think the rhinoceroses are going to do any much more of a damage if I turn off the peaceful monster. I switched colors this one because the pink sort of like blends in with the biome here, and I don't like it. So I've switched it to blue, and they've colonized this part, an island here, moving towards the Europe here as their very first colony. Rapidly advancing. As we fast forward this, remember, if we do this at a normal pace, it'll take us a couple of days, probably an entire week. Weeks. That's plural. So far so good with our simulants. And yeah, now we have three colonies now. So the main city is on the African part. Now they're moving towards Europe, and I'm excited to see some rebellions though, because rebellions are actually the fun part, and they give birth to great nations. Okay, basically. We have a new colony here in the tiny island that's protruding. Oh man, the Earth is now entering the Age of Ice, so I promise to just let this go. We're not going to turn this Age of Ice off. Just see, it envelops the entire land. it'll eventually, you know, end once the ice age ends. It eventually melts down. The ice biome eventually melts down, but right now this is a cold situation here. Really cold. Parts of Africa are now really cold. We have a first colony here down Asia. Yeah, look at that. And they're rapidly advancing as well. So it's good to see that civilizations are still thriving despite the harsh conditions that the Age of Ice has to offer, like limited food. But I did give them unlimited resources, so that's why. Oh, here's the rebellion. We have a rebellion, guys. And the federal state does not like this one because it puts there. It's really close to the capital here. It's just a few miles away, and the federal government doesn't like that. They consider this as a threat, but the rebellion is ongoing, and they're going to forge their own nation here, basically. Dude, let's see some combat, because if we actually see some... Oh, they've already been attacked. I didn't notice that. The battles are probably been covered on these trees right here. Oh, look at that. See the blue part here? Let's turn this off. Wow, that's a huge invading force right here. Federal troops trying to quell down the resistance, the rebellion. You can't really see the battles through these. It's essentially guerrilla warfare right here. Here's a battalion of troops from the federal state quelling down the rebellion. So these guys are from where? So Etedpuro is a place of it's a colony. So these are colonial soldiers as well from colonies of the federal state, federal government. So this is them. And this is their place right here, occupying parts of Europe. Man, they're really pissed off about this rebellion. You can see them like sending off vessels now. See, approaching the leeward side of the island here. Look at that. Oh man, we have rebel forces defending their homeland, their newly established homeland. They're not that advanced yet, and this rebellion, I believe, is going to be quelled really fast, because they're not that advanced yet compared to a superpower. Anyways, that's just it for the end of this video. I certainly hope you guys like this one. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.